Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in AIS Income Tax Account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get logged into your account, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.incometax.gov.in. Once you do this, you will end up in the official page of AIS Income Tax Account. So simply hit the login option, and once you tap on the login option, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply type in your user ID, which can be your permanent account number or your Aadhaar card number or any of the numbers which are used as your national identity in India. So you can only enter the valid number or the valid user ID you have, and once you have typed in your valid ID, you can simply tap on the continue button to get logged in your account. So once you do this, you will get your access to your account back. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.